Well, it's time to do one of those springtime jobs. They just paved our street and our mailbox is really looking bad. It's got to have been out there for 10 years and it's all rusty. Time to upgrade. The first thing you have to do is take apart all the old pieces, but we want to save that metal post. It's really solid. The plan is to slide a 4" by 4" vinyl sleeve over this rusty pipe, but that top plate is just too big to fit. My first attempt at cutting this 1/4" steel plate is with my new Ryobi grinder, but that didn't work. My next attempt was to use my jigsaw with a metal blade, and it worked for a little while until I went through both of my batteries and then the blade broke, so that didn't work. My last attempt was to use my Dremel Saw Max with a grinding blade on it, and that worked fantastic. It cut it like butter. As you can see, the vinyl sleeve will now fit over that big metal plate. Perfect. Time to cut the post to length. Fitting the caps. Real quick. There we go. Perfect. Okay, after checking the post, it's out like 1.5 inches here. It's leaning way back. So I'm going to have to angle the post to account for that. As luck would have it, leaning the top of the post toward the street all the way and the bottom of the post away from the street all the way made it perfectly level. Perfect. Now to secure the top and the bottom with a single screw up tight against the post, and we'll be all set. Now to measure and cut a piece of wood for the bottom side of the mailbox to attach it to the post. Here I'm adding 4 holes to that thick steel plate at the top so that I can attach that board that goes under the mailbox to hold it on. Attaching the piece of wood to the top metal plate and hitting all 4 holes exactly right was more of a pain in the neck than I thought, but it ultimately came out just fine. Here I'm laying out and attaching individual numbers for our house on each side of the mailbox. Makes it perfectly level. Now to add some screws to mount the mailbox to the post. Now to put some screws in. Well, I thought I was all done, but there was one detail missing. And because I kept the mailbox further back from the road, it overhung the post unevenly front to back. So I decided to put on a nice cast aluminum bracket that I had made in a previous life, and had one left over, painted it white, and now I'm attaching it as mostly a decorative element, but also to help support the back end of the mailbox. Perfect. Well, here's a comparison side by side of the before and after, and I guess it's pretty clear by looking at this which one looks much, much better. We're very happy with the outcome.